Hello everyone, I am Varlakshmi. Today I am here to explain about the Sithafal assessment. Actually, Sithafal assessment given two tasks. The task one is about ChatGPT with PDF using RAG pipeline, and the task two is chat with website using RAG pipeline. To implement these tasks, we have to know about what is RAG pipeline. RAG is defined as retrieval augmented generation. It is a hybrid approach in natural language processing that combines the strength of information and natural language generation. It aims to generate accurate and rich responses by retrieving relevant information from external data sources and using it as input for a language model. Now I will explain and give overview about the task 1. The task 1 is chart with PDF using RAG pipeline. The system aims to implement a RAG pipeline for interacting with semi-structured data from multiple PDFs. The main features of this task is data ingestion, query handling, comparison queries, response generation, and user-friendly interface I created. To handle these features, um, I use different technologies like PDF Plumber, PDF Miner, Feeds for OCR to process the data into smaller chunks using chart, long chains, recursive characters, text splitter. The text is embedded using Hugging Face models and stored in a face vector database for efficient retrieval. User can input natural language queries which are matched with relevant data chunks. And the responses is generated using the technology chart group LLM, and it generates accurate and structured outputs by comparing in the queries. And finally, I used Streamlight for web interface. It provides interactive platform for uploading and querying handling. And finally, the technologies like Pickle, it ensures the persistence of the vector database and enabling the user's experience across the sessions. Now I will go to the execution part of the task 1. Here is the task 1 code. First, I imported all the necessary libraries that are required. After that, using Streamlight, I designed an user interface. After this, I wrote the functions to extract the text from the given PDF. This is all about the text extraction. At last, I wrote an inquiry input section to ask a question. After that, I called all methods to retrieve the information. After retrieving relevant information from the PDF, it displays the answer. Now I'll execute this code. If you write streamlight run task1.py, where task1.py is my file name. If you write this command, you can able to execute this code. After that, you can go and verify the output here. See, the web page is loaded. At first, we have to upload the file. I uploaded the example file given in the assessment. After that, we have to process the PDF. The text is extracted successfully. Here we display that after successful extraction of the text, you can able to give a query. Now I am going to give a query as give the tabular data from page number 6, which is an example from the assessment. Now let's see what it gives the output. See, it extracted the relevant data from the page number 6 in the given PDF. Right? This is all about task 1. During these tasks, I faced challenges mainly to extract the text from images, especially complex charts or poor quality scans. It is a challenging task to me. By using OCR, I overcome this challenge. Now I am going to move to the explain about the second task. The aim of the second task is to build a RAG pipeline that enables users to interact with both structured and unstructured data extracted from the websites. It integrates web scraping, embedding based search, and natural language generation. The system allows users to ask a queries and receive accurate responses based on the real time data from multiple websites. This project mainly aims to enhance query response accuracy by utilizing the benefits of both retrieval and generation techniques. The feature of these projects is data ingestion, query handling, response generation, web scraping. The technologies that are used to complete these tasks is request, beautiful soup, sentence transformer, and Facebook AI similarity search, a library that effectively search and clusters of dense vectors, and a transformers or hugging face. It is a library that provides access to pre-trained models for various NLP tasks. Now let's see the workflow of the system. Here you can able to see the code. First we need to import all the required libraries. I write a class data ingestion where I define the model, define the methods for each task. After that, a query handler class to handle the queries, and response generator class which is mainly used for generating responses. After that, in main class I collected all the required URLs, and then calling methods. Embedding.index, it stores the data. After that, here an input is taken by the user. Based on the input, it generates the output. See here, to run this task, I wrote command python task2.py. After that, it successfully executed, and it asked a query. I gave query as where is Stanford University, and another query as what is the focus of research at the University of Chicago. It generates a responses like this. If you want to ask another query, you can able to ask, or else you can exit from the query entering. This is all about the second task. Thank you for giving me the opportunity.